This smoky brinjal, tomato and wilted spinach pasta with balsamic butter is perfect. Some olive oil and then a blistered punnet of baby tomatoes. Smoking a brinjal over gas or over the fire is the best way to impart smokiness. And then once they've cooked, split them open and spoon that brinjal into the tomato and garlic mixture. So once that all came together, I added a good dash, well actually more than like a dash, probably a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar, and together with half a cup of butter. The balsamic butter brings this entire dish together, and it's definitely my favorite new ingredient for pastas. And then wilted in some baby spinach, and then good pecorino cheese or parmesan cheese grated over, and it's just full. The tomatoes and the balsamic, it's full of kind of like zinginess because of the acidity that comes through from both tomatoes and balsamic. If you want to find out more recipes, do go and buy the July-August issue of Taste magazine.